town do you live in? Cheltenham. You're so beautiful, thank you, you're so sweet. It's Primark. It's Primark. Do you have a Facebook page? Yeah, I do. But you're not having it. My family's on there. Nice, same. Your eyes are so alluring. My name is Romeo. I need a Juliet. Fine one then. Hello, Miss Beautiful Girl. Hi, my name is Emma. Can I have a shout out? Yeah, shout out to Emma, guys. Are you single? Yeah. Oh my god, how can you sit there and hear how beautiful you are over and over? So much is obvious, but it's actually nice. I'm sorry, I can't help what they're paying, can I? Fucking grow a pair. It actually pennies. Well, it's not yeah, pennies wherever you fucking live. Are you from UK? Yeah. What's your favourite app? Probably TikTok. Hello, I'm from Wascam. Hi, Cookie Double Dildo. Oh my god. Hi Sunshine, can I make you Talon? Fix your lashes, yeah, I've tried but I can't put them on myself, thanks. I'm from North Wales and I used to work in Cheltenham. Fix your lashes, yeah, I've tried babe, thanks so. Hi, my name is Emmy, can I have a shout out? Shout out to Emmy. I don't know how to do your little shout out things. I think you look peng over makeup, yeah. Do you have a dog? If you do, what kind? Yeah, I have a British Bulldog. Yeah, Jet Bro. What age are you? Age, I'm 17. Is that a wig? Yeah. Do you have any pets? Yeah, a dog and a tortoise. I love you so much, thanks. Hello, what age are you? I'm 17. Your birds, thanks. Your age, you look like without the makeup, being more confident. You look like Irish with Ronaldo. I'm 18. That kind of dog's cute. Sweet for life. Oh. I said, can I make you take honey? Did you watch United yesterday? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. Doors are wheels. That's your real eyes. Whoa. Hi, what's up? Hi, my name is Irene. Hi, Irene. Oh, guys, I need to sort my ass out because I keep getting told. Crow. Hi. If you let your favourite, if I met, do you mean if I met, should I still in the house? Why not with your friends? Because it's like not even 2 o'clock yet. Don't be so mean, I'm new on here. I'll send real cash to your cash up. What do you mean, don't be so mean? I'm not even sending anything to you. I just don't want your money, thanks. I mean, I'm single and you're beautiful. You're so pretty, thank you. Don't hack my ISP, I'm not going to. What team do you support? Man United. Can I get a Hoya? I single, yeah. I hate your eyelashes though. I know, I hate them too. If anyone wants to sort them out for me. Oh, lovely. Hello, my name is Iola. Where are your lashes from? A girl at my work. She made them. A girl like you be single. I don't want a boyfriend. You're pretty babes. Thank you. Why do you have Weetabix in your room? How did you notice? Okay, I could see it. Because basically if I put my food that I want in the kitchen, all my brothers will eat it, so I keep it in my room. Boyfriends don't want you. Okay, fuck off. Look behind. You know, you watch her. You're all creeps. What? You're all strange, mate. Where are your lashes from? A girl at my work made them. My sister's best friend literally asked me out yesterday, then fucking go out with her. Pretty, thanks. How old are you? I'm 17. Love those lips, thanks. You're so pretty, thanks. Literally, if I have any of my food in the kitchen, I won't have it the next day. Fix your eyelashes, yeah, I fucking tried, thanks. Hey, hi. Your lashes are nice, thanks. She's 16. I'm not 16. I'm not 16, I'm 17. I understand how much I can spoil you in real life and your girlfriend. I would really marry both of you.